Hi. So I don't know the old students, but I do know the new students. They are getting bored from me for around 3 days, I think. Yeah. Hello. For the previous students, I cannot tell how GATE is important. They have known it and they have achieved it. I would say congratulations for all the students who have cleared the GATE and got very good ranks. On my side, being a faculty, I would always thank GATE for doing that. For the new students, I've been telling you many stories in the class too. Before that, now this when I asked the Coimbatore director, he told that the session is actually for the seniors to be heard, the juniors to be heard by the seniors. Okay, let me talk about just. I'm changing the names just for sake of fun. So let's say there is a story. It's happened, but let me change the names. Okay. Now IPL is around, so let's say there is a coach or there is a captain, like Dhoni. He worked at somewhere, right? So he was not a captain a while. So he heard a story that a captain telling to his the pep talks generally happen generally in sports. Well, they should be inspired all the time. The sportsmanship, so-called the sportsman spirit, everything comes from there. So he saw the captain saying to his teammates, okay, these are the three things which are important to you. One, your family. Two, your religion or your beliefs. And three, our team. And he told something, let's say Manchester team if you're a football fan. So he said Manchester team. And so Dhoni heard that, or some cricketer heard that. Okay, let's start. If I be a captain some one day, I will surely deliver that speech. Okay, so he became, now he's the captain of Chennai Super Kings, right? So let's say he went to Chennai Super Kings. Now he started saying that, okay, dude, let's do this, and you should have three things which are important. Family, the second is your beliefs, and third you should say actually Chennai Super Kings. He told Manchester team again. So don't copy the dream directly, don't copy the speeches directly. So you need to make the changes which will adapt to you. So when your seniors are delivering the message to you saying that you have to prepare this way, that way, then take it as it adapts to you. I'm not saying don't listen to them, but you get inspired to them, work accordingly, which is adapted to you. Okay. GATE is a very important exam. I know by this time you have realized. If you haven't realized, please realize it by this time. Because even now I proudly say it's been about 7 or 8 years I have wrote GATE. I wrote GATE 2 times, 2005, 2003, 6, 2005. Even now I say, oh, I got 65th rank and 33rd rank. Even now I just told Mr. Lakshmi Narayana that. Okay, it's been 8 years and still it's been a credit to me. So it's always been a credit. Not only just for boasting it, but it will change your career. I told this, it's a turning point for me. All the persons who have invented many things, there is some turning point for them. There is some turning point for everybody. Einstein, there is a turning point for him. He worked at a patent office, that's the turning point. He would have not worked at a patent office, he wouldn't have known anything. He was brilliant, but no one knows that. Okay. The person who worked in library, invented all the laws. So he got a chance to work in library, he got a chance to. So everyone gets a turning point. And I told you many stories whose turning point is GATE. Many people's lives have changed due to GATE. They work hard, their percentage of BTech may be 50%, 40%, 80%, GATE doesn't care about that. If you are a high GATE scorer, you have a all choice and option waiting for you. So GATE changes everything, GATE corrects your career. After this, you will have the flying colors. I am not saying it will be easy, after that you have to learn that also, but your track will be changed. So this is the time you change, correct your career, this is your turning point for you. So please take GATE as important. I urge the students. It have been a good change for me too. Okay, just end up with my story. I joined IIT Chennai during my BTech. I was given MSc Chemistry. I hated it. I hate chemistry. They say 10 rules and they say all are the exceptions. Okay, they give one rule saying this and this, you add this, you get this. And they say that's a rule, and they say that it's exception for 50 components. And I hated that. Okay, I write rules, but it should satisfy everything. When you say law, it should satisfy. So I hated chemistry, so I left it and I joined Andhra University. So I thought that okay, it was a good institute, I couldn't continue it. So the GATE was a second chance for me. So it's a second chance and a turning point. So try and understand, listen to your seniors, adapt it accordingly. Come up with flying colors in 2015. All the best. And congratulations to the whole student.